Hey everybody, welcome again to our channel, nextsuccessone. Hope all of you are doing great. Today we're going to go over the top 10 best profitable farming business ideas. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most amazingly profitable businesses I've ever seen. In recent years, a lockdown due to the pandemic brought economic crisis into the world. Jobless individuals tried new ways to generate a handsome income every month. Farming and agriculture are one of the ancient and evergreen professions, but in the modern age, people tend to choose some other professions which might suit them well. Farming can be a great source of income, and if someone chooses this sector as a professional businessman, he can grow rich in a few years. This profession is difficult, but it surely offers you a huge profit every year. When people want to start farming, they have no idea which farming practice offers the most profit. There are thousands of agriculture and farming business ideas. Some of them require huge investments, while others require a little amount to be invested. If you're planning to start farming but don't know what's best for you, don't worry at all because this video is just for you. Here we're going to share some profitable farming and agricultural business ideas. You can choose any one out of these and start earning a handsome revenue each month. Before we begin, make sure you press that red subscribe button if you haven't already and join our great YouTube family. Also, don't forget to hit the like and press the notifications bell to stay tuned to the latest updates. Let's jump right into the video. Number 10. Tree farming. Wood is a great source of fuel, and every day thousands of tons of wood are sold around the world. Growing trees and selling their wood could be a good choice if you aren't willing to work a lot and have a large amount of uncultivated land. You'll need patience in this business because the trees require more time to grow and attain a considerable height and weight. If you can be patient and pay a little attention to the growing trees, you can make money from this business. Thousands of farmers grow trees on a commercial scale and they are earning huge profits with almost no investment. All you need to do is care for them and water them daily, specifically when the plants are little. Number 9. Organic fertilizers production. This is another great agricultural business idea with almost zero competition and high profit because most of the farmers aren't aware of this farming business idea. Organic fertilizers are meant to increase the fertility of soil by enhancing its water-holding capacity and developing a good soil structure. Organic fertilizers are more efficient, and natural fertilizers have no side effects on the annual yield of the crop. Additionally, the process is easy and the investment is very low. As compared to inorganic and chemical fertilizers, organic fertilizers are highly effective to maintain the health of crops. Organic fertilizers and manure is formed from dead animal remains, animal debris, and plants. Number 8. Mushroom farming. Mushroom farming is quite a different form of agricultural practice which assures a huge profit in a short period of time. This business needs little investment to start. Mushroom farming requires little farming. These mushrooms are bought at higher rates in hotels and restaurants. Commercial-scale mushroom farming helped many people around the world to get rich. If you have a moderate budget and a little uncultivated land, then I personally advise you to be mushroom farmers because this is the emerging industry nowadays. Number 7. Beekeeping. Beekeeping is a rare but profitable business idea which can't make you a billionaire overnight, but if you work passionately on a commercial scale, you can earn a handsome amount. Honey is one of the expensive natural products which is used widely in every part of the world for different medicinal and many other purposes. With the increasing demand for honey, beekeeping has become a great business idea, and it is one of those businesses in which there is almost no competition. No matter in which part of the world you live, this farming business idea is suitable for you. All you need is proper knowledge of the business, a little investment, and daily monitoring of your bees once you've started the business. Number 6. Vegetable farming. Vegetable farming is a business idea which is chosen by those who have some uncultivated land and are planning to cultivate their land. Other crops take a whole year to grow and their production needs skills and investment. Moreover, due to high competition, other crops like wheat, rice, and sugarcane don't offer a huge profit to the farmers, but being a daily need of people, vegetables can be sold easily in the market. Vegetables have a short growing season. You can grow a crop of vegetables 2 times in a year. So which skills do you need in this business? Well, you'll need to have a proper knowledge of this business, and after consulting from an expert, you can start this kind of business. You should sell your vegetables to the professional buyers in the market instead of selling to the local clientele. And additionally, if you want to generate a good revenue, you should export your products to the international market. Number 5. Dairy business. This business idea is really highly profitable for everyone, but specifically for those who have some kind of cattle on the farm. Dairy farms produce tons of milk each month. If you really want to invest in this agribusiness, you should never be worried about loss, because there is never loss in this business. This business requires a little more investment because you would have to buy some cattle, and their supervision and food will also cost you a little more. But still, if you're a passionate worker, the grief of all that you invest will be no longer in a few months because of the huge profit you'll gain. If you have a good amount to invest, you should employ some people and also make some dairy products, which will be a good expansion to your business idea. Number 4, poultry farming. With the increased demand of meat and eggs, poultry farming has become a great and highly profitable business around the world, which has resulted in a little bit of competition in the industry. But yet, since the demand is high, one can earn a huge profit each year. Poultry farmers generate revenue selling both eggs and chicken. From the previous 3 decades, this business has become a global commercial industry. It's a highly growing sector of agribusiness. Number 3, snail farming. Snail farming is a great farming business opportunity which offers huge profit to those who invest in it. This business idea requires some professional skills and knowledge which should be learned before starting it. The farming of snails is a process of raising and breeding the snails and selling them to related industries for human consumption and production of different commercial products. It's rich in protein content, and because of its low fat ratio, it is highly demanded in international markets. Number 2, growing medicinal plants and herbs. Again, this is a business idea for those who have uncultivated land and are planning to use it for generating good revenue each year. Medicinal plants and herbs have been in demand for centuries, and still their production offers everyone the ability to earn a good living. Medicinal plants and their products are sold expensively in the local and international markets. This business idea requires low investment and proper monitoring and supervision. Number 1, fish farming. Fish farming, like poultry farming, is a fast-growing business sector around the world with less competition as compared to the poultry farming industry. You need a few skills and proper knowledge of this business before starting. People around the world are generating huge revenue from this business idea. Fish is sold at high prices around the world, and additionally, the value of medicinal side products of this business sector can't be denied. This business requires some skills, a moderate investment, and guidance from some experts in this industry. Exporting fish on a commercial scale to the international market offers more revenue, but in this scenario, you'll have to take into consideration the export and import policies of your country. That seems to be enough for today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop us a like and scroll down to press the red subscribe button to help the channel grow. Please also tap on the bell icon to be the first to know when we drop a new video. Until then, goodbye and peace.